Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the floating window feature on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First of all, open the application that you want to open in a floating window. Then open Recent Apps and hold your finger down on an application that you want to open in the floating window. Then select the third icon from the top. And this way you will open this app in this mode. As you can see, you can change the size of the window, moving one of the button corners either to the top to shrink your window or to the bottom to expand it. And using the three dots at the top of your window, you can move this window along the screen, or if you tap on the three dots, you'll be able to change its position or to minimize it. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.